This is a Sansui A1100 integrated amplifier with a blown amplifier channel. I didn't start out from the beginning to blog this one like I should have, and so I'm going back and kind of reconstructing it. Okay, and it did have some bad output transistors, which we'll show in a moment. Also, one of these emitter resistors was bad. There was a couple of transistors bad here, a couple of burned resistors, and driver transistors here. The driver IC was okay. By the way, this driver board had to be completely unsoldered and pulled out for service. Okay, you can see all these solder connections had to be undone to pull out the driver card. And here are the output transistors here, and also the bias transistor here was bad. And replaced all of those parts, put it back together, adjusted the bias, and it's working fine now.